Thank you, Deepak. Here in Chevella, in Rangareddy district of Telangana, that is where this huge accident happened this morning, early this morning. In fact, around 7 in the morning is when this bus that was coming from Tandur area, which is in Rangareddy, towards the IT hub of Hyderabad, which is the Cyberabad area. That is where the bus was coming when a tipper from the other side came and in fact rammed into it. And on the right side, all the people came under the gravel. They are all the construction material, in fact, falling on them. This is the second such accident, major bus accident that's happened in Telangana just in the last, in Khammam district was in Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh was the earlier accident. Yeah, 19 people dead in the earlier accident, 19 people dead in this accident as well. I just spoke with the Minister of IT who has come and visited this place, and he has pointed out that the road which is there to one side, it is a single road, and that's a major reason for the accident. And he points out that the Congress government had tried to build a double road, but he says there are political reasons and also about some activists going to court, because of which there was a stay on doing a double road here, which led to the accident. I also earlier spoke to the Cyberabad Commissioner, Mr. Avinash Mohanty, who speaks about three reasons. One, of course, there are 72 people in the bus itself, which is a case of more number of people getting into the bus. The second is the tipper carrying about 16 tons of load, and this is a state highway that we are talking about. And the fact that the speed, whether it was more or not, is not something that is investigation. The fact that there is only a single road and the tipper had actually come very much on the side of the bus and rammed into the bus. Also injured and now in hospital. Of them, 5 are still said to be serious. Let's listen in to the chat that we did earlier with Cyberabad Commissioner Avinash Mohanty. Of course, is the impact of the bus itself with the tipper coming from the opposite direction. What is your preliminary finding?
Obviously, it appears that this happened because a vehicle which was going, the truck strayed onto this side and hit the bus. But what is the exact reason for that straying, we don't know as of now. So we'll just go into that in some time.
And the single road seems to be, and quite a bad quality of road as well, even though it's a state highway, is it?
So the road whether the road was a factor in this point, we are not sure as of now. Whether it happened because of the road or something else, we cannot comment immediately. But we'll definitely go into it in detail. If it was or not, we'll bring it into our findings.
So we are here by the side of the mangled bus which got rammed into by a tipper carrying gravel construction material. And as you can see, from the steering wheel to every single chair and the seats, all of them got virtually rammed into by the gravel, and the entire load in fact falling into the vehicle itself, because of which this huge number of deaths, 19 deaths have happened. Many of them were women, and one child, even a 15 months old baby also along with her mother, has been killed, and they had to use in fact machines in order to be able to pull out the mangled material and save people. So it was a pathetic kind of a scene that we are talking about, where people were asking for help, and it was locals who first came to the rescue of the people who were inside the bus. 72 people were traveling in this particular bus, and the understanding is that this is the road. Nagraj can just show you the road. This is hardly 40 feet road, and there would be no divider, and there are traffic which is running on both sides. It goes from Tandur area towards Hyderabad. It was a holiday, and therefore big numbers of people, of course, going back to work, employees or to school, children returning to school, many of them also working from here and going there for work or coming over the weekend. And the construction material was also to the extent of almost 16 tons is what we are told. So there are three issues here. One, of course, the bus itself being overcrowded, something that cannot be helped when it is an Telangana State Road Transport Corporation bus. The second was, of course, the quality of the road itself. And the third is the single road that we are talking about, because of which this particular accident has happened. So, politics has already broken out over this kind of an accident that has taken place with the Congress government saying that they were very keen on converting this into a double road and ensuring road safety as well, but saying that the earlier government of BRS had failed to pay attention to this kind of a road safety, and that's why huge numbers of accidents that that have happened on this particular road that leads from here to Cyberabad. Huge numbers of people commuting from this area, Rangareddy district, to Hyderabad. Let's listen into some reactions.
बस में मिनिमम फ्री बस देने के बाद बहुत से लेडीज ज्यादा बसों में जा रहे हैं। उसमें समझता हूँ बस का कैपेसिटी 50 रहता है, उसमें कितने लोग मरे, कोई 12 बोल रहा, कोई 17 बोल रहा, कोई 19 बोल रहा, मगर जो भी है उनका मेरा डीपेस्ट कंडोलेंस है।
इस पर दुख प्रकट करने के बदले और इस पर जिम्मेदारी और अकाउंटेबिलिटी फिक्स करने के बदले तेलंगाना कांग्रेस और कांग्रेस के नेता मृत पैसेंजर्स और महिलाओं पर दोष डाल रहे हैं। वी हनुमंता राव, जो राहुल गांधी के करीबी नेता माने जाते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि फ्री बस राइड दे रहे हैं। महिलाएं जो है आजकल इसका फायदा उठाने के लिए बसों में चढ़ जाती हैं और यूज करती हैं, और इसीलिए बस की ओवरक्राउडिंग होती है और एक्सीडेंट हो गया। मतलब कितने शेमलेस है, कितने ब्रेजन है अपनी अकाउंटेबिलिटी कि एक्सीडेंट क्यों हुआ, रोड सेफ्टी का पालन क्यों नहीं हो रहा था, ट्रक और बस के बीच में जो कोलिजन हुआ उसमें एक्चुअल स्थिति क्या है, बस के ऊपर जो सवाल पैदा होते उसके बारे में बोलना क्योंकि रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट की बस थी। नहीं, अपनी जिम्मेदारी से हाथ धोकर महिलाओं को ब्लेम करना।